In front of me is NOKIA G42, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to open Devices settings and tap on Connected Devices right away. Then select Pair New Device and wait for available ones to show up. When they do, tap on the one that you wish to connect to. Then select Pair in the pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, just tap on this gear next to Part Device, hit Forget next to Connect, and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!